Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see that how to reverse any number in Java program. If user enters 1 2 3 4 5 6, then our output should be 6 5 4 3 2 1. If user enters 594, then our reverse number would be 495. If the user entered number as n equals to 1 2 3 and 4, then our output should be 4 3 2 1. So how to create this type of programs? So here whatever logic we will apply is we will keep on extracting the last digit of the number and we will remove the last digit. Again we will extract last digit of the number and we will then remove this number. Again we will go here, we will extract this number and we will remove this digit from the number, and last we will again extract this number and remove this digit from the number. So at the end this whole process is completed, the value of n will become 0. So to apply this we have only one statement that this can perform, is our looping statement. And looping statement we have three types of loops: for loop, while loop and do while loop. In this case we just have to take care of one condition, so for this we will take our while loop. So in while loop we will keep some condition and we will try to repeat some set of statements. Now as I said, if we want to extract the last digit of the number, then the statement required or the operator that required is modulus operator. Modulus operator is whenever we divide some number by any number, let's say number is 49. If we divide the number by 6, then modulus what will give us is this divides by 8, 48, then our remainder is 1. So what modulus operator do is, modulus operator gives us the value of remainder and division operator will give us the value of this quotient. So if we want to extract the last digit of any number that user has entered, then we will use the modulus operator. And we know that this number works on decimal number system. Decimal number system means it has 10 unique digits over this. So we have 0 to 9 as our numbers which we can use to create any number. So whenever we want to extract the number, say from the last digit, then we will use modulus of 10 operator, because 10 is the only number which will give us the value of the last digit of any number. So I will take this and store it in a d value which simply says this is a digit. If we take example 1, 2, 3 and 4, and if we divide this by 10, then this will be divided by 1, 2, 3, because 10 multiplied by 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 3, 0. If we divide this, then the remainder that we will get is 4, and we exactly know that we need this last digit only. So this statement will give us the last digit. Now we want to remove this number. If we want to remove this number, then simply here we have our number which has the last digit removed from it. So this will remove the last digit from the original number. What is that? This is our division operator. So I will take another variable like new number n1 equals to n divided by 10. Now our new number becomes 1, 2, 3. Now we want to extract 3 from this number in order to calculate the reverse number. So I will take another d1 and I will do modulus over this new number that we found. So again, now d1 will have value of 3, d will have value of 4, d1 will have value of 3. This will give us 1, 2 and 3. Now we got 3, we got 4, now we want 2. So to calculate, to find 2, we have to remove this 3 number from this. Again same thing, n2, I will take n divided by 10 and this will give us value as 1 and 2 because this will be removed. If we do the division of 1, 2, 3 divided by 10, this will be divided by 12 and give us 120. 120 when subtracted, this will give us the remainder as 3 and the quotient as 12. So this will be our quotient 12 and this will be our remainder 3. So this is our answer of modulus and this is our answer of division. So now our number has become 12. Now we want to extract the number 2 from the original number. So for that we will take another variable and again do the modulus on this number, modulus of 10. So this will give us the value when 12 is divided by 10. When 12 is divided by 10, our remainder will be 2. Now again we have to remove this 2 from this number in order to get 1 from the number. So I will again do n3 equals to n2 divided by 10 and this will give us the value as 1. And now again, for this to be stored in another variable, to get this in digit form, we have to do d3 equals to n3 modulus 10 and this will give us value as 1. So when 1 is divided by 10, the remainder will be obviously 1 because the quotient will be 0. The number is itself smaller than the dividend that we are using. So the dividend will be only the answer and it will give us the same value as remainder. Now you can see here, these statements are repeated 2 times, this statement are repeated 2 times, this statement are repeated 2 times. Here we can also repeat this statement 2 times, this one. So if we repeat this statement, then we will see that n3 divided by 10, this will give us the value as 0. So whenever this set of 4 statements are executed, the original number that we took becomes 0. So as soon as the number that user entered becomes 0, we will stop doing this and we will just do the operations on this modulus values and this will give us the value of our reverse number. So the condition at which our loop should stop is when our number becomes 0, or we can say that whenever the value of the number is greater than 0 or not equal to 0, this set of instructions should be repeated. So here you can see modulus 10 divided by 10, modulus 10 divided by 10, modulus 10 divided by 10. These two statements are continuously repeating, and for repeating of statements we are using loop. So in this, our first statement will be d equals to n modulus 10, which will give us the last digit, and I will keep on removing the last digit from the number. So this will remove last digit, and we know that as soon as our number becomes 0, then we have to stop the loop. Therefore, the condition we have to write is till what condition this statement should be executed. So up till what condition this statement should be executed, or we can say at which point our loop should stop. So our loop should stop as soon as the number becomes 0, or we can say that the loop should continue to run these statements until we don't reach the value of 0 or the value of our number is greater than 0. So I will write the condition here as up to n is greater than 0. Whenever this condition is true, these statements should be executed. Now this is we have extracted last digit, this is we have removed last digit. Now how to make the reverse number? So the numbers are formed are always in the multiple of 10. Like if 95 is the number, then 95, this number is made up of 90 plus 5. If we take 3-digit number like 724, then this number is made up of 700 plus 20 plus 4. So similar logic we have to apply here in order to find the reverse number. So for this, what I will do, number REV equals to 0, and I will multiply that number with 10 and then keep on adding the last digit. So as soon as first time the loop is over, this will again go up, this will extract the value as 3 here. Previously we had 4, this will give here 0 multiplied by 10 is 0 plus d. So this becomes 4 at the end of first iteration. Next time when it will go up, it will give us the last digit, and the last digit is 3. It will go here, it will reduce the value of the number, it will come here. Now our value of REV is 4. So 4 multiplied by 10 plus d. Our now d value is 3. So 40, 4 will be multiplied by 10 and it will add 3 in it. So our now new value of REV becomes 43. Again this will go up. Find the last digit of the number, which will be 2. It will reduce the value of the number. It will come here. Now value of REV is 43. 43 multiplied by 10. This will be 430, and the 2 which we got here, this will be added here, and this will give us the value as 432. You can see here the value is getting reverse. So now this will go again up here. The value that it will extract is 1, and this will again reduce the value. Here it will go inside this. It will multiply this with again 10 and it will add the value of 1. So now our value becomes 4321. That is exactly the reverse of the number that we had taken from the user. So I will explain this with one more example in neat and clean way. I will take value of each and every variable so that it is very much understandable to you all. So here I have taken the value of number as 49612. This is the number that user will enter. So we will keep on tracking these values here, what values will be derived here. So is n greater than 0? So yes, n value is greater than 0. It will go inside the loop. D equals to n modulus 10. So we know that this will give us the remainder value, or we can say that this will give us the last digit of the number, and this will remove the last digit. So when this is taken and modulus of 10 is done, then we can say that the last digit from this number will be stored in D. So here our D value becomes 2. Now n equals to n divided by 10. We know that whenever a number is divided by 10 in int form, then the last digit of the number is eliminated. Now here our value of 2 is removed from the variable n. REV equals to REV multiplied 10 plus D. Our REV value is 0. When 0 is multiplied by 10, it will remain 0 and 2 will be added to the number. So if 2 is added to the number, this will become 2. Again this will go over here, n value greater than 0, then yes, the value of n is greater than 0. This will go down, D equals to n modulus 10. Now this value modulus 10, simply the last digit of the number, the last digit is 1. So now the value of D becomes 1. N equals to n divided by 10. When divided by 10 is there, then simply the last digit from the number is removed. It will go below. We have the statement REV multiply 10 plus D. Now value of REV is 2. When 2 multiplied by 10, this will give us 20. In 20, we have to add the value of D, and value of D is 1. So 20 plus 1, this becomes 21. Now our new value of REV is 21. This will go up here. Check, n is greater than 0. 496 is yes, greater than 0. It will go below. D equals to n modulus 10. Same, the last digit of the number will be extracted and now the value of D is 6. It will go here. It will remove the last digit from the number. This 6 will be removed from the original number. And now it will go to this statement REV equals to REV multiplied 10 plus D. So now the value of REV is 21. 21 multiplied by 10. This will give us 210. And we have to add the value of D. Value of D is 6. So 216 will be the new value of REV. This will go up here. 49. 49 is greater than 0. Yes, it is greater than 0. It will go inside the loop. D equals to n modulus 10. N modulus 10. Modulus will give us remainder. So the value of D will now become 9. It will go to this statement n divided by 10. So what n divided 10 will do? This will remove the last digit from the number. Now REV equals to REV multiply 10 plus D. This number will be multiplied by 10 and the value of D, that is 9, will be added over here. So this will give us 2169. 2160 plus 9. So that becomes 2169. This will again go up here. This will check n greater than 0. So yes, n is still greater than 0. 4 is greater than 0. This will go below. D equals to n modulus 10. Now the value will be 4 modulus 10. When 4 is divided by 10, then this will be divided as 0, 0, and the remainder will become 4. So our value of D now becomes 4. This will go here. We are dividing the value by 10. So we can see here when it is divided, when value of 4 is divided, the quotient is 0. So now our n value becomes 0. This will go to this statement REV equals to REV multiplied 10 plus D. Our value was 2160. When multiplied by 10 and added 4 in it, we will get 2160. 2160 plus 4, and therefore that becomes 21694. So you can see here the value which we took, our n value was 49612. So now this value has become in reverse order, and we will print the value of reverse number, and this will give us the value of our reversed number. Now let's check this in our BlueJ. So you can see here I have already imported the scanner class, and I will take the input from the user of the number, whichever value he wants to input in the program. The same set of instructions are written here which I explained before, and now let's see the output of the program. The same example I will take, 49612. So you can see here the reverse number is exactly the same, 21694. The number I think is different from which I explained earlier. If I take a 2-digit number, then also it will give us the answer. For example, if we take 37, then it will give us value as 37. If we want to take a 3-digit number, then also we can do this. For example, 976. So this will give us exactly the opposite, 679. So this was all about how to do reverse a number, any digit number that user enters. Now if you have any query related to any program, related to this program or anything, then you can send the questions on my mail ID. The mail ID will be displayed here. Also the mail ID is given in my description box. If you have any query related to this program, then you can also ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer your queries. And if you want to learn the basics of the loops in Java, then there is a video on my channel. You can go and check it out, that what types of loops are there and what are the basic functions and how to use the loop statements in Java.